example of a centimeter is the width of a fingernail.
Isn't that cool?
An example of a millimeter is a pencil tip. An example of a meter would be a guitar.
The SI unit is a given measurement based on the metric system that is used throughout the scientific community. The SI unit for length is a meter. Now, to measure the height of this water fountain, I wouldn't use a centimeter because that's far too small. I wouldn't use a megameter because that's far too large. I would use a simple meter, the SI unit. And as you can see here, this water fountain is just about 1 meter tall. Some commonly used units are the millimeter, which is about the thickness of your ID card, the centimeter, which are the smaller marks on a ruler, a meter, which is the meter stick, which I just used, and then a kilometer, which is about 1,000 meters. Not about, it is 1,000 meters. A kilometer is a meter to the power of 3. A centimeter is a meter to the power of -2. And a millimeter is a meter to the power of -3.
One commonly used lab instrument is a meter stick. As you can see, Liam's leg is approximately 1 meter long. Another commonly used lab instrument is a caliper. You can measure things like width, like Liam's finger. Lastly, another commonly used lab instrument is a centimeter ruler, which is much smaller than a meter ruler. This paper is approximately 20 centimeters long.
Ooh, that was tiring, because I just ran a 5K race, which is what people run, so they measure distance for races. Women's gymnastics, they use balance beams. It's very difficult because the balance beam is only 10 centimeters wide, which is about the size of an average book. Hey Jimmy, look. We're on the Great Wall of China. It's about 6,430 kilometers long. That's huge, and it was made by handmade. Give me some water. Give me some water, please. So I just bite the Tour de France, and it's around 3,800 kilometers long.
Wow, that's a lot. Uphill? Really?
And down.
And downhill? Oh my god.